You are going to be working around the steering wheel airbag. Before you begin, disconnect the negative terminal, red arrow, and then the positive, blue arrow. Wait at least 20 minutes for the residual energy in the vehicle to dissipate. Try and get the wheel straight before removing it. I'm going to mark the position of it, but I find it more logical to remove when it is straight. There is a single hole under the center of the steering wheel. Insert a 4mm Allen key and press up firmly, red arrow. You're going to have to press up firmly to release the airbag, so be prepared. When you release the locking mechanism for the airbag, it will slide slightly forward as indicated by the blue arrow. Slide the airbag out from the wheel. You are going to remove the two electrical connectors and the ground connection, red arrow. Lift up the two orange tabs and separate the electrical connectors. Place the airbag somewhere safe. It should be out of sunlight and always facing upwards. The wiring harness for the airbag sits in a groove in the wheel. Make sure this is lined up correctly when reinstalling the bag. Depending on how your wheel is optioned, disconnect the wiring harness or harnesses, blue arrow. If you have a heated wheel or any controls on the wheels, yours will be different than shown here. With the wheel off, you can see the spring mechanism that you will be pushing up on when you release the airbag from the wheel. Use a T55 torque on an extension and break loose the nut, red arrow. Hold the wheel while doing this. Do not use the steering lockout to hold the wheel while breaking the nut free. Do not use the steering lock to hold the wheel while breaking the nut free. Clean the old Loctite off of the nut and apply a small amount of blue Loctite when reinstalling. Mark the steering shaft with the center marking on the wheel before removing the wheel, red arrow. You can now pull the wheel straight back and off. This will give you access to the clock spring and the steering stalk switches. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the nut to 37 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.